Welcome to today's video. We will be discussing the dangers of loan sharking. First on the agenda, the purpose of this video. We will also be talking about what loan sharking is, why it's dangerous, and how you can protect yourself from falling victim to it. Just a quick disclaimer. We are NWU students, and this video is published as part of our group's initiative for an assignment. The purpose of this video. Let's start with the problem. Science 2021 indicated that women are more susceptible than men to fall victim to loan sharking, as 58% of the victims in their study were women. The study also found that victims are more likely to be unemployed, which is problematic, seeing as in South Africa, 35.7% of the South African women labor force are unemployed, compared to only 30% of men, which yet again leaves women more susceptible to falling victim to loan sharking. The solution. Women are clearly most affected by loan sharking, and as an initiative to improve gender equality, this video aims to educate women on the dangers of loan sharking and how they can protect themselves from it. What is loan sharking? It is defined as lending money at an interest rate that exceeds the allowable legal limit. Why is it dangerous? Let's start with the legal dangers, such as having to pay excessive amounts of interest, and oftentimes the agreements could be invalid. Emotional or physical dangers. Loan sharks often use unregulated and extreme collection methods. This could include intimidation, assaults, threats to oneself or family or friends, or even holding customer personal belongings like bank cards or IDs hostage if they are not paid. Other dangers. Loan sharks could also pressure the customers into getting a new loan to pay off old debts, and at the end of the day, this would result in a vicious cycle of debt for the customer. How to protect yourself. First, look at the warning signs. A loan shark is an unregistered credit provider. Always make sure of the credibility of a lender before you borrow money from them. Loan sharks don't often assess customer credibility, so they won't ask for documentation that would enable them to assess if one would be able to pay the money back. They often also use advertisements that attract vulnerable people, such as using phrases like blacklisted applicants only or no credit check required. Secondly, be skeptic of high-pressure sales tactics. This could be inclusive of being rushed to sign an agreement without having the chance to properly analyze the contracts, or being pressured to take out a loan. Watch out for cash loans. If a lender only provides cash loans, it is more likely that he or she is an illegal lender. These lenders usually don't provide documentation like paperwork or receipts. Do not hand over your bank details. Often loan sharks ask customers for their bank details as a form of collateral if payment is not made. Not only is this an indication of possible unlawful activity, but it could also make you susceptible to fraud or identity theft. This is also applicable to other personal items like IDs or bank cards, as mentioned in the dangers. Other methods. There are many other ways to obtain a loan, which would stay clear from the problems associated with loan sharks. Examples, you can get a loan from the bank, credit unions, microfinance institutions, and many more. These bodies would adhere to the legal requirements and they usually provide a fair interest rate. Please find attached the reference list used in this presentation. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it was educational. Please be sure to check out our other videos and our Instagram page.